Good evening, all. Today, we are going to have a design thinking approach on programming with PIC microcontroller. So, as we all know very well about PIC microcontroller. So, in design thinking, first of all, design thinking is a problem solving approach that focuses on understanding user needs, ideation, prototyping, and testing. Applying design thinking to programming with PIC microcontrollers, we can lead to more user-centric and innovative solutions. So as we know the 5 stages of design thinking, first one is empathize, to understand the needs and challenges of end users or stakeholders, and next to identify the requirements and constraints of the project, then to conduct interviews, observations or surveys to gain insights into user preference and behaviors. And define part, here we used to define the problem statement based on the insights gathered during the empathy stage. So clearly we have to articulate the goals and objectives of the project. So just identify the criteria for success and constraints that must be considered during the solution development when we use programming with PIC microcontroller. So it generate here the defined part is we have to generate a wide range of ideas and potential solutions to address such problems. We have to encourage the creativity and brainstorming among all the team members by use for this programming with PIC microcontrollers. So the prototype, we used to develop low fidelity prototypes to explore and test different design concepts, and the test is to evaluate the prototype against the defined criteria and objectives. So now let us have a design thinking approach with all the 5 stages on programming with microcontroller.
I'm Gokul. So this is my team. She is Amanda, he is Rajendran, Darshni, Arni and Bhavana. So in this presentation we are going to tell about the programming with microcontroller in design thinking manner. So at first, what is design thinking? Design thinking is nothing but a human-centric approach of problem solving. In the design thinking we have 5 stages: empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing. So each of us are going to tell the content in 5 stages of design thinking. At first I am going to tell the empathy part. So in the empathy part, we are collecting the problem statement from the user. So who will interact with the PIC-based system? What are their goals and pain points? Like that, by survey, operation, observations and interviews, we are collecting the problem statement from the user. For example, if we make the home automation with PIC microcontroller, we must be collecting data from the house owner, like what we want to change, what we want, like that. So over to Gajendra.
I'm going to explain about what we define. From the insights gathered from the users and researchers, we are going to define the problem statements and the project objectives. Clearly articulate the goals, constraints and success criteria of the microcontroller. For an instance, if you are designing a healthcare monitoring system using PIC microcontroller, we should define the metrics such as accuracy and easy to use, etc. And over to
So the third stage of design thinking is ideate, where we will include a lot of ideas. So in thinking with PIC microcontroller, there will be brainstorming ideas and solutions based on the requirement of the project. This will also include data structures, data algorithms and lot of configuration to pick out the best requirement of the project. Over to Amrita.
So the fourth stage of design thinking is prototype. The prototype is a very important stage in design thinking. So the rapid formation of the prototype is material for the thing that we can easily access. So in this prototype we use tools like simulation tools and other development kit, breadboard, etc. So in this, for example, we are creating a PIC microcontroller based on an IoT based system. First we utilize the thing and final process will be taken.
Okay, the last and final step of design thinking is testing. In testing process, we are developing a PIC microcontroller using the refined prototype, and detailed documentation will be set by the
consumer